Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a hooded scarf with pockets on the bottom. To do this, I'm using 525 yards of a super bulky weight yarn and a size N 10mm crochet hook. To begin the hood section, chain 25. Skip the first chain and make a half double crochet in the next chain, preferably using the back loops of the chain. You'll continue doing half double crochet across the chain, except leave that last chain unworked. You'll have 23 half double crochet once completed. Now, in that last chain, make 6 half double crochet stitches. This is going to form the very top part of the back of the hood. Working on the opposite side of the chain that we just made, make 1 half double crochet using the remaining loop that's available from the chain. You'll have 23 half double crochet made once completed. To recap, we started with 23 half double crochet this way. We made 6 at the top in the last chain. Then we worked on the other side of the chain and made 23 more half double crochet. The bottom will always be flat, while the top part will be the rounded section. We'll continue using only the back loops and make 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches. Even as we get near that rounded top, just make 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. What's going to happen is the work will curl inwards. This is good as it forms a traditional looking hood. You can see what 2 full completed rows look like. Chain 1 and turn, and continue working half double crochet in the back loops only. Continue working from the bottom, around to the other bottom, then around to the bottom, and so forth. Before you get too far along, measure your work. It should be around 12 inches for the height of the hood. Adjust your hook size or yarn if it's not. After 14 total rows, your hood will look something like this. Feel free to add more rows if you wish, or even less rows. When folded in half, my hood measures about 11 inches across. Once completed, cut the yarn and fasten off. We have some decisions to make for the length of the scarf based upon your height. With a separate strand of yarn, chain say 65 chains. Then along the bottom edge of the scarf, we're going to connect the yarn by making a half double crochet right in the corner. And then working evenly across the bottom of the hood, make 1 half double crochet. I try to look for the little loops that stick out from the side of the stitches. It doesn't really matter how many stitches you make across, as there are no multiples in this pattern. You just want to make them evenly so they don't ruffle or have too much space in between. Continue along the bottom of the hood with half double crochet stitches. Once you've done the half double crochet along the bottom of the hood, we need to chain the same number you chained before for the other side of the scarf. And then add 1 more chain since we're going to turn our work. Skip the first chain and make 1 half double crochet in the back loops of this side of the scarf's chain. Once the one side of the scarf is done, just continue on with making 1 half double crochet, back loops only, on the bottom of the hood. And then, once the hood part is completed, continue on with making 1 half double crochet, preferably in the back loops, of the chain from the other side of the scarf. And then for 8 more rows, chain 1, turn, and make 1/2 double crochet in the back loops. Feel free to add or subtract rows if you want a thinner or thicker scarf. Once the scarf part is completed, I fold up about 10 inches worth of scarf on the bottom. You can either just sew the bottom, or I like to add a single crochet border that seams the pockets together on the side and continue up into the hood part for a nice edging. And that's how I crochet a hooded scarf.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.